In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline shapes in Canva, a skill that can really add a punch to your designs in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media graphic, or an A4 document, adding outline shapes can make your design stand out. So let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva's website, canva.com. When you land on the homepage, you'll see a login button at the upper right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in with your credentials. Canva gives you a few options here. Log in directly using your Google account, Facebook account, or sign in with your email. Choose the option that works best for you and log in. Once you're logged in, you have two choices. You can either create a brand new design by clicking on the Create a Design button, or simply navigate to an existing design you want to work on from your dashboard. For today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you as though we're working on a new design, but the process is exactly the same for existing projects. Once your design canvas is open, the next step is to select the shape that you would like to outline. Click directly on the shape to select it. This will prompt a menu with various options to pop up, where Canva gives you all sorts of tweaks you can make. Now direct your attention to the bottom of the editor where you'll find the Style tab. Click on this tab and within it you'll see an option for Border Style. This is the feature we'll be using to create an outline around your shape. When you select Border Style, a variety of options will appear. Canva lets you choose from different line styles, including solid, dotted, or dashed lines. Pick the style that aligns with your design vision. Solid lines are bold and clear, while dotted or dashed lines can add a bit of whimsy or modern flair. Canva also offers another cool customization option, corner rounding. This allows you to adjust the sharpness of the shape's edges. So if you want your shape to have softer, more rounded edges, you can adjust this right within the same menu. Finally, let's add a splash of color to your outline. You'll see a color square that you can click to select a color. Canva offers a palette of default colors, or you can enter your own specific color code to match your brand perfectly. Once you've selected the color, it'll automatically apply it to the outline. And that's it, you've just outlined a shape in Canva. I hope these steps help you to enhance your designs. Feel free to experiment with different styles and colors to create something unique. Thanks for watching and happy designing.